Morrisonville hosted Taylorville on Monday. And Haley Stewart drove in Paige Enlow for the first run in the top of the first. Stewart was on the mound for the Tornadoes. Marcy Langen was on the mound for the Mohawks, and heading to the third, it was only 1-0 Taylorville, but that changed quickly. Paige Enlow drove in Kaylee Talley. And then Stewart drove in Mercedes Morgan.
We got a couple guys who dropped the
And then Taylor Durham kept it going by bringing in Paige Enlow. Allie Ukanier picked up 2 RBIs to keep the rally going. And Taylorville just kept piling it on.
I think it just kind of takes a little while to get going, but for the last, starting Friday over the weekend, we've been hitting the ball pretty well and putting up some runs. And
Still in the third inning, Enlow picked up another RBI double. And then Stewart hustled out a hit for another RBI. Down 12-0, the Mohawks got on the board with a single from Kara Brokamp to score Marcy Langen, who had just hit a double. In the fourth, Taylorville kept scoring, and Langen got in trouble by walking in a run, and then hitting a batter for another run with the bases loaded. Stewart added another RBI single, and Taylorville went on to win 19-1.
well, I think it just keeps us the momentum going. We want to continue and carry that momentum through this whole week.